Karong adlaw, naata diri karon sa ORA, Wellness and Recovery. Whether you are an athlete pushing your limits, a professional managing daily stress, or simply someone who wants to relax and recharge, ORA, Wellness and Recovery provides the space where your body can truly recover. At ORA, we believe that recovery is just as important as performance. The facility is thoughtfully designed to help improve circulation, reduce muscle tension, speed up recovery, and restore balance to both body and mind. After intense workouts, long workdays, or even the physical demands of everyday life, your body deserves the right environment to heal, rejuvenate, and reset. That's exactly what ORA offers. A calm, premium wellness experience that helps you feel stronger, lighter, and more energized. More than just a recovery center, ORA Wellness and Recovery is a sanctuary for self-care. It's a place where athletes optimize performance, where individuals find relaxation, and where everyone can invest in their long-term health. So, general recovery, weight loss, stress management, increased energy, improved mental state, and improved mobility. Are you currently taking medications? No. Are you pregnant? Yes. Pregnant. Do you have menstruation? Yes. And then, welcome drink. Thank you so much, ORA. And I have my robe. Let's do this. Because true wellness isn't just about working harder. It's about recovering smarter. Visit them today at ORA Wellness and Recovery, La Piazza, Uptown, Cagayan de Oro, and experience a new level of recovery, relaxation, and wellness. Your body works hard for you every day. Now it's time to give it the recovery it truly deserves.